Damn.
How much did they charge for the piercing?
120 each.
Each?
Or 120 total, one of them. But in total I paid 170 because I bought another pair of earrings.
Oh.
Ipshu, are you
What
coming?
quality? Like what?
Silver.
Which- Oh, only 50 rupees.
It wasn't, but then I traded in some of the broken earrings I had, so they only made me pay 50. And I was like, oh, okay, I'll take it.
Hello. Get tongue down first.
No. Then what happened makes me sad.
He would cry about it.
Towards me, can't you see me? Raja's not here, come. Supraja's not here. No, that's Yasha. Yeah, I just come here now. What do you mean?
I didn't know her
You
ex
want to
stays in
meet
Mumbai.
MC Stan?
Why would she meet MC?
No, why would you want to meet MC Stan?
He's famous, bro.
He's like
Why
shit.
not MC Stan?
Ipshu, where are we going?
Hounds.
Where?
That you all decided?
No, you told me the flea. Where is the flea?
No, that's not in. I don't, bro.
But is it like, what is
I
it?
have no idea if it's open. I
Then
told you
check.
3 days before. I don't know. I don't know. the name. It's on the way, anyways. It's
On the like where?
on the way to your Western Mall only.
But where? Like we
It's
can't.
like 5 minutes from Western Mall walking. It's in front of Cafe Peter on the road.
But what is it called?
I have no idea. I didn't
Where
bother.
did you find out about it?
I saw. I was walking and I saw it.
So you don't know if it's there today?
Whole
Because
plans
on the-
around it.
No, on the top there was a gate, but I didn't bother checking. Actually.
Then like search flea market near Peter. Yeah.
Search. Wow.
Guess what Supra just said?
What?
She got work.
So she's not coming?
We don't know.
Oh, then let's go.
Bro, I can't believe you moved on from that.
What?
I know, I thought it'd be sad.
Yeah, you just be like, oh, okay. Let's call her one
But
more time.
She has work, no? That they have like big mango. They like get in. What's so fun, bro?
Say that
I'm
again.
just talking normally.
Say what you said again.
Huh?
What,
It's a
where?
place where they sell mango.
Yeah, the mango. What? The mango people.
Yeah, the mango. Those people. I haven't you seen like those shops that like just sell mango. You know, now those shops just sell mango.
You know they're everywhere in food.
No, but they're like specifically they set up. Many of them set up in that location. But now instead of that, they removed that. They have like put a few more.
So they removed the
So
mango.
you know the gas station?
It's called a petrol pump.
Please.
Where is it like?
Opposite to it. Yes. I said na Cafe Pito.
But which way? Like this?
Oh no. See.
Oh shit, that area.
It's in front of. It's just opposite Reliance Fresh. If you like look outside Reliance Fresh, you can see it.
Then we will book at Reliance Fresh. That's all. Or are we going
We're
walking?
walking.
No.
We're
Yeah,
booking,
booking
a
only.
cab or like an auto or whatever.
Fine.
Where's Super?
On top, yeah.
There's like no light.
I'm not even.
What did I do?
They're laughing at my face.
Can you see my face now?
Yeah. Ah, why is it shaking so much? Wait. Why is it so? Okay, there we go. Okay. Come now. Okay.
What?
Like block and report your account. Bro.
Do it. What?
One person. One person.
Then no, I will ask all of my all the people in my MC Stand fan club to also log and report you.
How many people are there?
Do you even have friends?
I do in college, bro. Actually, seriously.
In college.
Why are you?
Actually, I do. Like,
Name 5.
no, see, I have to.
Where?
Like the 2 guys I went to Varkala with. It's like a cliff beach. It looks very nice. They're like, bro, you know they're like more foreigners than
So you
Indians.
do realize we're talking about your friends, right?
Huh.
Who were they again?
There's a guy called Rahul and there's a guy called Jenil. Those
Two
two.
friends.
Yeah, like
friends,
two close
yeah,
friends.
friends.
Two close friends.
MC, are they also MC Stan fans?
We like. It's not like we listen to MC Stan only. We listen to the rest of the-
Sorry, bro, I didn't mean to.
स्कूटर पे कभी बैठा नहीं है ना?
नहीं.
ये इसलिए से.
तुमने बुक किया
Wait, I'll book a book. But where are we
So
going?
you're where are we going?
कैफे पीकर.
But I don't know if it's open yet.
Then we just go to like Western from
हाँ,
there.
we can walk from
Yeah.
there. That's
Even Kimling is right there.
हाँ.
Where,
West End.
See, if just put location as cafe with the Peter.
Yeah, Cafe Peter.
Okay, and from?
Reliance search पता ना?
If you're going to West End, I'll tell us where are we going to West End?
No, opposite Reliance search.
Okay, so we're going for that free thing.
I think so.
If it's there, we
If
don't
it's
know if
there,
it's
bro, I didn't check if it's there. Last I went was like day before only. I think
Oh,
it
then
was there.
should be.
It should be there.
Okay,
Huh.
I don't know.
Who's coming?
I mean, probably me.
Supraja would literally rather take me than you.
No. Ask Supraja.
Obviously.
Actually, she would take me.
Yay.
Who would you want in the scooter? Me or Jyoti? If you say me, then.
धमकी क्यों दे रहा है?
धमकी का दे रहा होगा.
Are you able to do that?
Yeah.
Anyway, bro, she look like those old aunties as a side. She fall off, bro. And then,
How long? Okay.
do you have a license with you?
Tipping culture there is so crazy.
you tip.
I have to. There's no option to not tip.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't have to because I'm a college student. They're just
Where?
like, oh, chill.
But for what?
For anything.
What?
Food or-
You guys
Oh,
get
no,
No,
it's
cab. I don't
happening.
usually take cabs. I just take an electric scooter.
No, I'm talking about like just like going to a restaurant or Uber Eats.
Yeah, for like if I DoorDash, then I have to tip like at least $2.
Yeah.
But then if I go to a restaurant around campus, they don't care because they know.
But
we go.
outside.
Yeah, outside we have to.
Yeah, exactly.
But then again, if we're college students, they're just like
Job is like much
chill.
But then it's a fact that you have no option to not
Yeah,
tip.
it's really weird. It's like guilt tripping you into it. It's so
It's not even guilt tripping, it's forcing you.
10 kilometers. Where is it? It's this one, huh?
okay.
How much is the actual bill?
59.
They don't accept unless you tip, bro. No one wants to come inside, I see. Really?
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Is he inside?
No, he's at the
Oh,
Pashan.
We.
That's more funny.
Such a bad passenger. I'm telling her take me.
I don't know.
I think someone while coming back, but if you can come.
Leave her alone.
No.
You know what? I'll get driving.
No,
I'm
please,
taking
I don't.
She doesn't know my
You can
driving.
drive.
She doesn't trust my driving, bro.
See, none of you are like confidently saying
No,
I
I
can
am.
drive. You both were like,
I can drive.
You need to say it like that, then I will do
No,
it.
I drove. I don't drive in rain issue. That's why I'm driving.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
the time was the reason.
Rain is the reason.
Yeah,
Otherwise, I'm-
genuinely, I also thought about it.
Yeah, Odomos.
No.
Why did you bring?
Why would
I thought you said you always carry
Because
things.
we're going out indoors.
Halili was like, we're going indoors, I'm keeping this outside my bag.
How do you expect a key to be indoors?
No. And then the restaurant.
To be fair, we didn't even know where we were going.
Guys, okay, look at this.
But don't record. I'm about to cry.
Why is he about to cry? There.
भैया सीधा आ जाइए.
Hello guys.
हाँ. नहीं ये.
Did I tell you I'm actually like gonna post on YouTube? I'm actually gonna post on YouTube. Oh wait, what? Yeah. Like a vlog? Yeah. Oh my god, like this? Yeah.
इधर से भी है ना.
I've already posted my first one.
Wait. What the fuck? You didn't even tell me about that.
Just like, you know what the thing is? YouTube, like, it's just the quality. Like, so, so I have to,
You already are. You just said that you are.
yeah.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
I know. Say
Wait,
what
you should take a picture now actually. With like the red. Seriously.
I'm taking. On this, right?
No, after time I'm yours of yourself I'm saying. I don't need.
And that was so traumatizing, you know?
What?
Once we were like going to Owl. Okay.
Yeah.
And then those puppies, the ones I always,
I know.
So they followed us out, okay? They followed us onto the street, and they didn't know how to cross the road, so we crossed, okay?
And they somehow crossed with us.
And like,
we had to put them back.
but then like the cars weren't gonna stop. They weren't stopping. They were
Yeah,
just
yeah.
going. So like the puppies were literally in the middle of the road,
Then we had to carry them
Yeah.
and take them back.
and we spent like 30 minutes just.
And we ourselves couldn't cross.
Exactly.
Like, yeah, 30 minutes. Oh my god, do you remember? And then
Yeah.
we just went and sat at like Basil and something.
To where?
In like one of the we got fries, remember, on one of the restaurants.
We got fries?
Yeah.
No.
Then we sit at one of the restaurants on the lane, one of the lanes around.
I don't think. No, but we didn't get fries.
Surely, what did we get? Iced tea.
I don't remember getting anything. Whatever sitting. I remember getting the ice cola.
Oh yeah, I remember that. We were talking. We were talking about things. What? You tea.
Huh?
Yeah, continue.
Yeah, we were talking about things. What things?
You wanted it.
It's like brown as water. But pool is actually nasty, bro. I'm telling you.
I know.
No,
Yeah.
but like it's so
No, like-
nostalgic like that.
No, see, I think Owl is still walkable. Other Baner is not walkable.
That part is walkable.
No, not this part. Owl in general is walkable.
Yeah. Yeah, the
Baner is
like footpaths, they're so big.
Ah. It's a screen. See, even
Walkable.
what is screen?
Corridor park.
This is KP, bro. I've never heard that.
Everybody says
Oh. Meaning, but we don't go there much anyway. So
camp is walkable.
camp is walkable. But again, who goes there like that?
Me.
How frequently do you go?
Not that frequent.
Exactly.
I just wanted to make it seem like I do. No, just asking.
नहीं.
Actually, you should come with your mom. Your mom can bargain. Your mom can?
But my mom won't buy anything.
The thing is that my mom can bargain crazy, bro. She's like 20.
You tell us about this like a month ago.
It wasn't there a month ago.
You bought hair gel.
I couldn't find. They don't have set weight anywhere, bro. I want hair wax.
Cute है. ये कितना है?
350.
How do you feel?
Like I spent too much.
How much do you spend?
500.
Were you getting super?
It's not like Apple
Does
Does it remind you of something?
That is why I said let's come down. It traumatized me going up there. I am not even kidding. I saw that surrounding and it instantly something happened inside me. I just couldn't. I was like immediately no, let's go back. I couldn't stay there.
If you did, do you think you would have cried? Were you sad?
I thought it wouldn't have affected me, but it did.
That's what they all say.
What are you getting?
What is he doing?
Let's let's try.
Yeah, it's done. It's so fair. Yeah, I've never tried. I'm very excited to try. Yeah,
Too spicy. You can't focus on the taste.
Exactly. I don't like tofu. Good. Is it spicy? I just like swallowed it wrong, so it like hurt my throat, but it's good. It has a lot of
Good grade anyways.
Okay. I'm excited about the dumpling. Yeah. It's like cool. It's like cheap. How much is it? It's $1. Yeah. Thank you.
Picture.
Yeah, is it good? Oh, how is it? It's good. Yeah.
Let's start.
You want me to serve?
So, मैं तो खाया जाऊंगा सर.
You got the whole leg. How is it? It's nice. See guys? It's so good. You've come here? Yeah, like 3 times. With different people. My parents and my friends. You came here with your parents also? Yeah. Why do you all look bad?
I don't want to waste her time.
I don't like guys after the break.
But she's like very nice. Like great, amazing person.
You're saying it like I'm gonna date her next.
No, I'm saying. Damn, what the hell?
Where?
He's single, no?
We're gonna eat so much. It's shoes ready. Would you be able to eat all that by yourself?
Yeah.
Who are you?
Photo. Wait, actually, I'll take one with you.
Why?
You finish this, right? What zodiac sign?
No, not zodiac sign.
But zodiac sign.
Like anyone in my father's side is involved in like tantra sadhana. It's like rituals, like but not like black magic. But I said I really don't know. And he's like definitely good. It's like
You take his number in case like in 10 years into the future.
oh, he's my friend. He's in my lab.
All his friends are from the lab only.
No, I just met him this time. But
करने तो दे.
Like many things right now.
If true, I'll kill you.